There's a viral video going around of a sheep. This is real. We didn't do anything to this. There's a viral video of a sheep going around that sounds like a person when it screams. Yeah, absolutely real. Take a look. Come on. That's been going on everywhere. I've looked at that a million times, but I keep having people show it to me. You just see that again. It's just fascinating. I love that guy. Life in the country. So relaxing. I love that. So I did some research and found out there are a lot of other animals out there on the internet that sound like humans. Yeah, take a look.
Yeah.
Give it up.
Yep. Yo. Whoa.